Etibia Kevin Taylor will be an when you said the urban are no airship. The almighty Twene Jonas, Trouble Carlos, any Avraham Moshe, or maybe Cambumu. Now, almost to be part of man, Kevin a commodity for attack here. Kevin Taylor Abbey ready on Queccy official. As I said, Queccy official can do one was him. Kevin Taylor one TB and telling about threats. I'm a media and my born minimum. Mamma to remove not to the wagon, Amame. Our comment session. I PENYAH broke me. The mess was any demo. Over like keep video not that one subscribe button some by click notification and latest updates number to the wide that mama comment section over so not just for any be assured it's enwa and I bet you mu the beef for echoes between Kevin and Taylor any Queccy official our influencer now you know Nina came by Queccy official and a sorry or them your doom the light or buy the prepaid asa or check his or tow prepaid 1,000 cedis and check now what you could amaye 1,000 cedis asa. And on no be share no opinion. On no opinion. And you be opinion. On no opinion. Be share.
2 weeks be 1,002. They send to me. Oh, easy. For last 2 weeks, yeah. Better if you have got 2 weeks in my. To me buy and first, you know, almost such a man I'm told 1,000 Ghana cedis. Go prepaid nessa. Prepaid nasa. ECG. Because I'm off. Me check it. Because 2 weeks, 1,002. The bosom back on 25 million. Hmm? Serious. 2 weeks, 1,002. Mean so, mean turn you.
Kevin Taylor say on tiasie on tibida. Mahama ba. All the Mahama ba power on tibida will be in kadum so accept. Edi Kevin Taylor ever born na dwin kire Queccy official. Emma Queccy official so ever reply. Kevin Taylor bu fu say there on tiasie say ono na be kasa. Na Queccy official ever reply to the Queccy official emu ade or so na hwe. And the Kevin Taylor ever born serious threat.
Men try. Don't try that thing again. And yes, our product, I'll go after the products and the companies will come after you and nobody's ever going to call you because all that I have to do is that every product you touch, I'll touch it negatively. And I will make sure that nobody calls you to do an ad for them. What I'll have to do is say, I'll just have to look at your page. Any company you advertise for, I'll go after the company. And when I go after the company, that company will not call you again and nobody's going to call you again. That means, don't dare me. Maintain your level.
There was a threat of a boy, you know. Era comedian say I hear Twene Jonas say he Avraham Moshe aye na he Trouble Carlos aye na he na na omi asan be kan bo mu na abusuan wei ene nsem a omo ka Kevin Taylor
aboa no Kevin Taylor aboa na adwoma ma atua ne ka se ohunahuna nkofo no ono ntina ma bie wo map na me ka cho se abrofo man na etwi bicycle bo man tamunya misha broni Toyota Highlander so na taxi bus Petro Bofala. Kevin Taylor kwasi ampanyini na adwoma ma atua ne ka se ohunahuna nkofo no ono ntina ma bie wo map no kwasia akufo ado teso o se o man anopa wi anwumre mu bedi na tema no patu anwumre obia ni wa o ye dan o ka se o be o threat individual bia akufo ado ono di onye nipa on dwomama bana ne kwasia wodidum so kese we ya bre o man no boys ya o mu ni adwuma bia ye emrante ni adwuma ye mabunu ni adwuma ye ameka cho se rafo na taxi nyamisha broni na light kakra obi ko adwuma na odi akososo weather fo nyina na o madwuma nyina sei asko si keep the fire going, keep firing Kevin Taylor aboa for us. Yes, ni TV na mebe mo obi di jakotum ni TV no adwo mama kwase apanyina wi taxpayers money abia ma no ena me mo obi di jakotum. Instead of so be catch your mama say masa cars na we wi a oma isika di ato ama o manta fo kwase afo tonton bi na fakoto generator bra na oman no light nyina so no udu chimi abetena say u be digana ni na adwo mama aboa ne gine sika anopa wi anwumra everyone me tv aban ba sina mu adwo mama kwase ane gi sika light be autobus ana asa. Apart from that, or the Queccy Queccy Parliament say obi ebetua 1 cedi auto petrol be a D levy. nti se sika no ka chen se on fan koto transformer megu ho na transformer ni provide electricity ma Ghana for 1 million adwuma ma mo o 24-hour economy na obeye wasia obeye wasise sika na to private jet ama Ibrahim ama aboa won kon bie 24-hour economy na enipa de light no ye adwuma la sulala di oyi treba bani ohia light di oil blacksmith ohia light di oye bibi kakra ni sabeko na no ohia light enu so amani nyina so awso wajim nipa no ko adwuma obetena de ho de onya adwuma nya because light ni ho obafie so asabedan tuntum because ehon so a ehwe ku no fine nya adwuma bibi anya adwuma so eti odie mami move around na me move ha na too crowded that me catch us every 1 minute bia I use the number 5 service na mami time BMW division of course me empower ni eti woni jo mama aboa no be kasa se masa die kika kone die ayi kasa wato agu mashare fun kwasiafo ho mo de ka show Ferrari Bentley Rolls Royce a man kwasiafo ni nya adwuma no omu nya adwuma da omu gufie na watoto kasa ma omu a oman ni nyina obi ebre no sai sika no ubetimi ayere atweka ni sinu bia kogu dealership akoton na odi sika na kototo mfidie e de abegu na light na gina so sebe ya omuntu abanti aye kanyansa semche adwoma ma kwasia anya fe na odu jimi ya betena Ghana ni dia no aye ni problem awaya ni se wakoto aba ama NDC fo mwa ni problem na anu no ni problem Ghana ni ha onyina ni se wakoto aba ama NDC fo nkwasiafo enu ani ni problem obi a share no kra ni maka Kevin Taylor aboa no ojimi a this week ya memo obi di jato ni TV no mkwasi taxpayers money ya bi TV amount na atiso na ntro na wucha na chimi Junior Kaledozi Kevin Taylor is insulting TikTokers for telling Mahama the truth. Anu na me kachi anu no so odidi o matema ojimi a TV no oteso a odidi o matema memo obi di jato taxpayers money. Ojimi amemo bi akohye no ntimi nkasa ojimi so amemo bi akọ woni sika mi ni ba bi ote ewa akura bi ase wa America ha de simple na say me cars ne ba akwaso ma wodi for ombekwa ko wie no boko ama me aden we chimi say on pe man ye selfish man o selfish we ya bi TV ama ye ma osika no ana ohia but on mind be ye de ompe aden we chimi say nipa no ede dwamama boatani kwase atim dum light 40 times a day aden o say nko for fridge o se nko for TV on na kwasia Sanda Abrakwa is supporting Kevin Taylor. Fire him. Sanda Abrakwa uni chase de kwasia biba o de o nyina sika no majeje nya sika no age a nka wo kwasia obi ani wiase adwen na ni trima adwen da utrima wo utua lagbe na wo da sumu a obere obeba be support Jimmy Akufo-Addo teso e no no abejeji nkofo Akufo-Addo kura wanyeji nkofo sika se o de kwa kosu solve dum so kura no ono kura no na onum light sei na kwahye mpanyin ti se dwoma ma no agi sika di levia no pa wi anwumre patrutu ana otum ntokwa ekoso obi krom patru ye mfa no o yetu no Ghana ho enso still to ana otu patrum because of say o gi di levia dia so dum so na wagi sika ndi atoto cash for me phone if you to sorry e di atoto cars di akoto private jet ama Ibrahim mama aboa di aketo excavator man say on say Ghana for nsuo on say Ghana for nsase what you say meanwhile on betimi a stop cars no what the car bebrebe na kwan as course keep firing yes emeguso am fire what the cars bebrebe na kwan on manta for nkwasiafo ne na mo obi anim se wagimi no onya se e ka se obi nim se oba 17 years na akoye adwuma no te Rolls Royce man abodam obi anim se wagimi John mama se oni ma me kan krachi obi anim se o kwasia obi onim nyansa bi anim se o man kraman na omne na mo Akufo-Addo time na Toyota Camry krom ni bi no omunti bi no ene nwan ma ba na motete ka oni ayi sami jamfimu nyina e ba mo $10 million ka mo bi anim se magimi because obi anto aba ma mo se me live ti se ohene mo me live like a king o mo to aba ma mo se me fix your my problem what you say ti se ma ba na sika na mo be fix your my problem mo di live life akesia eti kwasia Kevin Taylor jimi ka che dwo mama bua ni se on fa private jet no ba kun komani wura na fe no onyi sika no mra ni emfa nto transformers enko sisi kuro bia regi bia o separate transformer nem provide light offer kosombo a nsuo ta ho we Ofa bia nzota ho we ofa tano nzota ho nzo we Ghana da. The problem is mpanifo na ejimi dodo ese sika no mde beto mfidie dia begu ono eno na ye problem no omo wie sika ni nyina na najima I say my light is off now eno na me ka che kemtela aboa ne so onim na obedi Ghana ni bia tema na ya light edum me ka say wo mi adwuma ma obi 24-hour economy atonsu ma ejimi ena na wo jimi Ghana for dia pe vote entu aba na mfaso bi ama wo so a light ya nipa de betwitwa ne ho so a because bi wa organizer no what you say obefa nkofo ososo weather ososo nade a boys titifie kwa obetimi ya soma omonye nko site na wa pay 50 cedis bi a hye omunsem eboa ma ahotoba omanim kakra because wo na aban no mfaso bi ani so asese sika na totoka asama o mantafo nkwasiafo na omde de aka boxing mfaso bi ama so but it light ni gina so a eboa ma economy ni egina so kakra. What you say? Dan say we do Jimmy assign a dum light no rough what Jimmy until obi TV say ya fe no say kope sika fra koto TV ana obi fridge say ya cost of human na begu unim number of employees are cost of one employee would Jimmy ni e kind of crazy your mama no the problem no easy solving macho exeka who sika engine say ya no anso atom no de asimi no ano no do be ko be 10 years for France na say it is a transformer no say sika no ede just order to talk man manta for no the top transformer be supply ma ECG for now automatically sikanu so yetua every day and one light in money need that simple as ABC anya de say Ghana nsuo ri ho akosombo ya ma buso da bia nsuo twifam kofofie anopa wi anwumre that we don't have natural disaster problem. The problem is say akronfo problem ne wo mpanifo ni na akronfo they don't care about Ghana ni bia adwo mama ne mantafo muti abombam o maso ntem se kwa pantafo mu abisa so mu da sumu dabi
ena me se Kevin Taylor kwasia Kevin Taylor aboa Kevin Taylor wajimi Kevin Taylor enemy me anu NDC for live ya mi ye oba live ne so pe ena ka obechi say meti ha ena me se Kevin Taylor kwasia Kevin Taylor aboa Kevin Taylor wajimi e de na ka beka chem se me nim nyansa beka chem se me ye kwasia mpanyini se Kevin Taylor ye mistake a me address mistake a waye ade a me chi wo wi ase ayi wo bi ana adwen ye de se o ye nipa chen wo bi Kevin enya burochire no wakotena ena oba na boa wo a me se aka by now wo ye bola man wo Ghana se de corona say no wo aka by now wo ye TikToker ye zo me zo when your oba mo oba boa ko pia burochire o man na ye team wo party abakura wontu me mma o kanya sasam ne o china wo bejimi o kanya sasam ne o se wo ye journalist simple communication a problem Kevin Taylor such an emotional guy oti ade wo TikTok no abe reply o what fight men this about power hwe won kwase ade a wudi omo a wo ka se NDC be jeli omo why dey jeli no o ka se na na kwam be di akoye kromfo ada na mu jeli no kemia madam for Dr. Wask hwe de ode ye no esan kofa fake doctor Ansansa e de buy pio yanchehwe e meda no o ti wo ye proud so ye wadamfo na wo defend no na wo mbitre wadamfo wo kofa fake doctor buy and wa kwesi say ye dum light and a Ghana for kasa yes e was here kasa esa say a service ya ye demanding and I say you deserve it a service we deserve Ghana for complain say you do so and then was a worker was yam penny you else ye dum light o the other say Ghana for me chechia say dum so ba and ye NDC fault esa say ye the 8 years Emma MPP it's your fault but ye try say yes solve na a plant bi na ahye say ne aka and ye say it munya botre Ghana for John Dramani Mahama e solve light problem na amamo ensign na Ghana for complaining em say wunya hu dia waka wo
akrati asemaba makatra mo se kodaki se wo ka no kra kira na wonim se o mpe na asem ana masa so aka kira wo se say politics akata Ghana for bebrani ama sa wo ye citizen na bibi how e wo kroni mu a you can't complain, you can't even voice out, you can't even talk about it. Ya wa hanomo ena eye same Jemfi last year obe make this comment.
I am putting it on record here, Captain. So, justified say Ghana nke experience doom so bien after 2016 for even one day of doom so after 2016 haram musukra eni se ka esikura
Ewutie asemo a wokan na memene ne ya adwene because ye one of the African countries a ye independence and term enye na asemo 1957 6 March 1957 na se ye wo 2016 mu na se after 2016 okasa se experience doom so one day kwa ye harama menene ya adwene. You see doom so bi eni ho no ma o mampanyini bi anase omo ye adwuma wo ECG no ombe sore se omo kwa ofo bibi ana omo kwhye bibi dum so bia no eye fault mistake bi enema ne ba enti ye gani independence de da ni nyina Ghana fo mpanyimfo beso mo kyeresa na se ECG fo mpeso mo kyeresa se omo ni any second option like be bia se na ye dum lighter ombetimi connect ama Ghana fo etimi use light for the next maybe 1 year and sana side na ko off omuni bibisa say your transformer way any Ghana depend was what we need to build another one for maybe special days like this and to say Queccy official ayana no say shoe nese or experience doom so neso their creative content just to create awareness say aban say me the sumu because or your Ghana citizen wotia light bell otia bibia na enunti wo na wotia brochire no eye wo hiya wotan say abrantie no complaini say woda sumu enti no wo de aye politics and you all kasa no ohun ne say wo ye MPP ni and this is how omude edane agimifo ni bi adwene because wo no ade na wodam no wo ha wo. But Kevin Taylor Baba Bekachara was saying, a MPP for mum and a day into Swakaman. A country like Ghana shouldn't even experience doom so one day. Me free say a woman many fee here were brutally. Me experience doom so one day da. I'm telling you. Me see doom so me experience be da ewa brutally. Because Oma build the system na say ene phase we ko offer omo phase 2 phase 3 nyina wo honoma ebetimi support chrono be the next ebi kura 5 years ansa no ma fix we Ghana 1957 agi independence ye gusu experience dum so na citizens ebekan ye wo obi ono de na no so chen Ghana fo nyina a odwun so no na no ya chen obi a enti no obe peke edi atem Chale, this is very wrong. We need to stop just a bit near the other politics. What electricity so what the suma work and also so no when you some. Chale, this is very wrong.
My home family, but what is a Queccy assign a did be at the more TikTok. Kevin Taylor, who's with Jimmy? Who said the Biamicas with Jimmy? Won't say Queccy official all cast me when you be at them, but NDC for did attempt I am say in Suamonum, unzu you crassini. As a citizen, as a maba, he has the right to say some. But what do with Jimmy into what by the atem? Who did the atem? I also followers no money in Jimmy. Well, Jimmy, Queccy official no pachana, what would you say my could be here, Kevin Taylor? Would Jimmy no Queccy any more de Tiwono? Yanka, Queccy official about brassing. Ah, Kevin Taylor, Queccy official, Colanum or no about brassing. Would Jimmy, would teaser a mere could be Jimmy for Bema.
We see so more brother, unye Jumada, na young guy, or ye Juma bonny home or then wakoto home appliances. I can see a beguni them what to be that. Who sees what to be that, want to be that. That's a doom so air han or lights, see, and now sana doom so say any name or can. Also, over man and new Diana born. Who so sees what brother? Why ye Jumada? Unye Jumada, who to a banner show. Would we a gun and in super Ghana? Ya my body guys a new chair. Won't mean and then I won't pass ya some tea. And now to say penny be out the one ring at you. Why you say milk work at to be so be Obiano Pacha? Who cut you be ba? I watch him now. Want to so be an pata. And you were more fun at Jimmy and a bad tamu a scene who's on all show. And you now say and crofo by ya, how nipa. But then my son meets best at 3 days means me quiet. Because of doomson, see, I'm a light off. Ya can be cut as over movie and
Chire wa adwen fama me e wo comment section. I PENYAH Media. I gra.